Have you ever wondered how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about insect metamorphosis. Insects go through incredible transformations as they grow. Some, like butterflies, undergo complete metamorphosis. This process has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Others, like grasshoppers, experience incomplete metamorphosis. They have 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Dragonflies have an aquatic nymph stage before becoming aerial adults. Beetles transform from grub-like larvae into hard-shelled adults. Cicadas spend years underground before emerging as winged insects. Each metamorphosis is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. Like and subscribe to learn more insect secrets.